What's up guys, Wilson here, and for today's video we're going to be doing another temperature reading test for this, a gorgeous Porsche GT4 RS. And the tint that is going on here is the same as all the other cars that go through here, Spectra Photosync IRD, the best heat blocking window film in this entire industry. And for today's test, we're going to test the local ambient temperature of that area inside the rear trunk. It is currently 86 degrees and we have our camera set up, so we're gonna place the thermometer in there, let it run for about 30 minutes or so, and then come back to it to check the temperature. After that is done, we're gonna get this inside, get the windows tinted, and then do another reading to show you the difference of having the best window film in the world. Alright guys, we are at the 30-minute mark, so let's take a look and see what the temperature is reading. Now, as you can see, we started off at 86 degrees and right now it is all the way up to 158 degrees, and that's quite a bit of difference without any tint on there. What we're going to do now is move the car in, get this tinted, and after that we're going to do another test with the car with the tint on there. Again, 55% on the sides and 70% on the rear glass. Alright guys, the tint is completed, 55% on the side windows and 70% on the rear glass. We're going to repeat the same test. It is about 86 degrees and we will come back to it and do a direct comparison. Alright guys, we are 35 minutes in, so let's take a look at what the temperature is reading. Now as you can see, it has gone up to 114 degrees in that localized area behind that rear glass. And doing a direct comparison without tint on there earlier, you saw that it went all the way up to 157 degrees, and that's over 40 degrees difference right over there. Now, I always tell all the owners that comes through here that with or without tint, it gets really hot inside the car when it's sitting outside in 86 plus degree weather, which is what it is right now. But with Spectra Photosync IRD, the heat gain inside the car will be slowed down significantly, and the heat that you normally feel on your skin while driving, that will be greatly reduced as well. Spectra Photosync IRD offers 99% IR reduction, 99.5 UV reduction, and the industry's first blue light rejection technology, which reduces eye strain while driving. Add that all up and you get the best window film in this entire industry, and the one that we use here exclusively at Premiere. So guys, I want to thank you for watching another one of our videos, and until the next one, stay tuned and I'll see you soon.